about. A famous software used by architects and engineers is SketchUp, which creates 3D models to help them visualize their designs. SketchUp, formerly known as Google SketchUp, is a free 3D modeling software that is easy to use and has a large collection of models. A 3D modeling application that uses push and pull technique to create and edit 2D and 3D models. With push and pull, the designer can make any flat surface into three-dimensional objects. How do I use SketchUp? To begin, let's launch SketchUp software using the shortcut icon shown on your desktop. When you do that, you will then be able to see the welcome screen. What we have here is the welcome screen. On this screen you will find preset templates of SketchUp you can use. You can also click on the recent files at the bottom of the screen when you want to edit previous versions or files. On the left, you can click the Learn tab so you can see and watch tutorials as well, which may help you to learn more about SketchUp. Now, the first thing we do is choose what template we want to use. We have a lot of choices to select. Some of them are simple in meters, architectural in millimeters, and there are also inches. You can check out other preset templates by clicking on More Templates, so you can choose what is appropriate for your model. Remember, each template is different in model background and units. But for this tutorial series, let's choose the simple in meters template. Please click and wait until the user interface to display on the screen. What you're seeing now is the user interface of SketchUp. In this user interface we see different tools, bars and tabs. In this video, I'm going to give you brief details of this user interface. Firstly, here at the top of the screen we can see the title bar, which shows your model title and what file name is being saved. Next we have the menu bar. In this menu bar we have different tabs we can choose from. First is the File tab. It allows you for creating a new drawing space or file, opening a previously created file, saving, importing and exporting models including printing. Edit tab, it provides essential commands you can use. There are options for copying, editing, etc. View tab, on this tab you can select what kind of section cuts to display, edges type and other preferred options for your model you may want to see, and you can also display other toolbars that are hidden in the user interface. Camera tab, here you can change camera positions or the way the drawing is shown to you. You can also zoom in and out, orbit your model, etc. Draw tab, this is the area where tools for creating 2D shapes are located, which will help you create your models. Tools tab, here you can view other tools for 3D modeling, view shortcut commands, text input, and dimensions. Windows tab, you can manage the trays which you can find on the right, adjust SketchUp settings, see 3D models in SketchUp Warehouse, and manage extensions. Extension tab, you can view here all your downloaded and installed plugin extensions. You may click them to activate the command. And on the Help tab, you can check the version of the SketchUp account and license details of your software. Just below the menu bar or tab is what we call Toolbars, which contains all your tool icons that are essential for your 3D modeling. At the lowest part of the screen is the status bar. Here you will find additional instructions, so you can better understand tool steps every time you use tools. On your right is the tray, where you'll see more settings and options for 3D modeling. In the middle we can see X, Y, Z drawing axis, which has colored blue for vertical, red for horizontal, and green drawing depth. In addition, to see other hidden tools, please go to the View menu bar and click the Toolbars. Here, you can tick the checkbox of the toolbars you want to display. Thank you for taking the time to view this video tutorial. Please don't forget to follow and subscribe to my channel. Let me hear your comments by commenting below. See you next week.